interpreting, learning and dying. Somewhere along the strip, reality seems to change. Faces and places have come to know decay.
Part of you that won't let go of your life. Your memories, your attachments. You burn them all away. But they're not punishing you, she said.